Hello, if you wonder if your Tapo C120 camera does work without Wi-Fi, let me quickly explain. The first thing you have to do when configuring your camera, when connecting your camera with the application, you have to connect the camera to the Wi-Fi. So you need Wi-Fi to configure the camera, and also you need Wi-Fi to have this live peer review of the camera and basically manage all the camera settings. In case you are not connected to the Wi-Fi, basically the application will say that this camera is currently offline and you will not be able to have this peer review, and you won't be able to change any options or so. But does it work without Wi-Fi? Basically, when you have the SD card inserted in the camera, the recordings will be saved on the SD card, but nothing more. This camera will just record on the SD card, and you will not be able to take a look. You will not be able to track anything from this application without the camera connected to the Wi-Fi, to the internet connection. So that's the answer to your question. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.